What's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Garrett, back with yet another video. Today we're doing some retail arbitrage. I'm out, just got to Ross. We're gonna make Ross our first stop. There's a particular item that I'm actually looking for, a bolo, but obviously we're gonna go through the whole store and see what else we can find. There's TJ Maxx right next door. Might hit that, might not. I'm really just trying to hit a lot of Rosses today, looking for this one item. But I'm going to show you guys everything I find. This is a bolo that I actually posted inside of the Profit List, my Discord group. If you haven't checked that out, click the link below. Free trial. You can check it out, see if it's a group you want to be a part of. But let's not waste any more time. Let's head on in. Alrighty, just finished up at this Ross. The service inside, like Wi-Fi wise, was pretty spotty, so I feel like I definitely could have got more. I was trying to scan some stuff and it just, like, the internet would not go. So I kind of just bought off of the bolos I'm looking for already. We spent a total of $252, got a total of 11 items. So ROI on this stuff, some was 100. The lowest ROI we took was like an 80%. So let's say on average we make a 70% ROI. We're gonna make at least probably 150 bucks just on those 11 items. So can't beat that. On to the next one. Let's go. I just pulled up to the second Ross location. Haven't been to this one in a while. It's kind of out of the way a little bit, so it's usually good. So let's head on in and see what we can find. Just leaving Ross number 2, picked up a little snack. If you're ever at Ross, need a quick snack, these are the go-to always. Anyhow, picked up 2 tennis rackets. I've been buying those for the last couple weeks, been finding them getting sprinkled in at a few Rosses near me. Those are money, $29.99. They're going for $89.99. I'm gonna price mine higher because Amazon's priced out at like $129.99. So I'm just gonna wait for all the low ball tanker sellers to sell out and try to get upwards of like 110, 120 for them. We'll see. Worst case, sell them for 89, make 30 bucks, 40 bucks a piece. Got another one of those trimmers. That's $20 profit, so we're at 80. Got 4 more Bratz dolls. That's another $60 profit. And then got that one little Elsa toy, which is like $6, $7 profit. So closing in on 150 bucks at this stop, and we're only like an hour and a half in. We've spent about 500 bucks, few hundred bucks in profit. Not bad. On to the next one. Let's go. Hopefully we can keep this momentum going, because this is what we like to see. When Ross is hitting like this, which I'm really not looking through the stores like that hard, but we're finding very highly profitable items. I hate getting like the $2, $3, $4 profit items. I don't really buy those anymore. I'm looking for more like $10 profit up. Try to get double up on my money, 100% ROIs at these type of stores. So we're hitting them, so let's go. And just look at my receipt situation. If you're ever wondering if like a guru online actually sells on Amazon, just tell them to show you their receipts. Like I have my glove box full of receipts. Like it's really bad, but just want to show you guys that. right, third Ross is down. 13 total items, spent $252.78 at this Ross. A lot more of those Bratz dolls. Been finding like a specific one, but this one had 3 different versions of the Bratz doll. Those are gonna tank hard, I already know, because I'm finding them at every single Ross. I've already sold some. I posted that lead in my Discord like almost a month ago. And I sold 3 of them actually today for like $42.99 in that area. Paid $14.99, so double up on that. I'm thinking about just putting those in like a U-Haul box, putting in the corner of one of my storage units or something, and saving them for Q4, because those are flying right now. If price tanks, they sometimes have sold up for 60, 70 bucks, so it'd be worth it to hold on to those. What else did I get at this one? The Bratz dolls, some more of the Reef sandals. The men's Reef sandals at Ross are tanked. There's no profit in them, but there's a lot of women's ones. So I think people have been skipping over the women's sandal section. Quick tip, if you're in Ross, check the women's sandals. There's a lot of good finds. What else did we get here? Golden Kush Court, Reef, and got one more of those trimmers. So pretty much got 8 Bratz dolls, a trimmer, and then 3 pairs of sandals. So that's it. We're gonna head to the next Ross, and hopefully we can keep finding a good amount of stuff. We're filling up back here pretty quick, so let's go. All right, just pulled up at the next Ross. Hopefully this one's good. Haven't been to this one in quite a while. Let's go on in and see what we can find. Let's go. Ross number 4, 11 items, spent a total of $198.76. So we've almost been hitting that $200 mark or more at every single Ross. So I think we're gonna hit one more, hopefully get over $1,000 spend at 5 Rosses, and then we'll wrap it up. But at this one, just found more of the Bratz dolls, found another new character. The darker haired one, it was like $9 profit, spend 15 to make 9. I'll take that all day. And some more of the blonde ones. So I think we got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Bratz dolls, 2 pairs of sandals, and 1 more JanSport backpack. So that was that at that store. Let's go to the next one. Also, I wanted to cover in this video because the last video I posted was like the first video I've posted in forever, and everyone's like, where have you been? People making assumptions that I got Section 3'd or whatever. I literally just been so busy with my Amazon business and making content. Believe it or not, it takes a lot of time and effort, like filming, taking the time to film while you're in stores. And once you film, you have to edit. And then once you edit, you have to edit thumbnails. It takes a long time just to make these videos. And I don't do content for a living like most people on YouTube, on Instagram. Like, I pretty much just do this for fun, to be a part of the community. I don't make a lot of money at all from social media. I make 99% of my money from my reselling businesses. So that's where I've been. I didn't get Section 3'd. I just been focusing on growing my reselling business and stuff like that. So thought I'd clear the air on that. I did not get Section 3'd. I've definitely had a lot of people hit me up about Section 3. A lot of people inside my Discord group got Section 3'd. I pretty much helped everyone appeal their Section 3. Like, you get Section 3'd on Amazon, right? And they're not accepting receipts. They're not accepting this. They're taking forever to get you a video call. What you want to do is escalate your case to the highest possible teams, right? That's going to be the Jeff Bezos email, and then the CEO, something Casey, Jassy. It's like jassy@amazon.com or something. you escalate to those 2 emails, right? Usually once you do that, the people I had do that in my Discord group, they got answers and video calls almost like within that week. So if you're having trouble doing that, like I've just been in the game long enough, I've had to escalate appeals. That's pretty much all Amazon lawyer is going to do for you, and they're going to charge you like $2 grand to write your appeal and just show you how to escalate. You can literally write your own appeal and escalate it yourself. So I don't like Amazon lawyers, in my opinion, unless you're going to arbitration, are just bullshit. Like, you don't need to hire one. Like, they all suck. They all suck. I'm convinced most of them aren't even real lawyers, and they just say they're lawyers and write you an appeal. Just figure out how to write an appeal and then escalate to the 2 highest teams, or CSM brand reviews. That's pretty much it. Once you do that, and if they reject you after you escalate to the highest level of Amazon, which is Jeff Bezos' team and the CEO's team, if they reject you after that, you can send a legal letter to their head department. If they reject you after you do all of that, your only option is to go to arbitration anyways, and then you could hire a lawyer. But just a quick tip for you guys. I know Section 3 is like crazy right now. Like, people are getting hit with it for literally no reason. But typical Amazon for you. Enough ranting. Let's go to the next Ross. So a slight change of events. The Ross I just pulled up at is at a outlet mall, and there's Nike clearance. So I ran in there, and they had these Nike backpacks. They had 20 of them out. And so I went in, bought 5, and went in and bought them all. So change of events. We didn't hit this Ross. We ended up hitting Nike clearance. I got some Nike running shorts as well. I'll pop those up on the screen. And then I got like some women's sports bras. So pulled like another 35, 40 items. And we're pretty full. So, and I'm hungry. So I'm gonna head home. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. If you have any questions, as always, leave them down in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.